We are the Fairies, and we are so delighted to let you know how much we anticipate April 8th eclipse for our planet, for our nature. What happens to nature during an eclipse of this kind? We want to let you know that we anticipate the energy that we will receive, absorb in delight. During this eclipse, we are energized in the waiting of this immense, bountiful moment where planet Earth is inundated with a mesmerizing energy. The darkness brings the light back. We, the Fairies, anticipate this moment with great joy, and we want to express to all of you that yes, you are nature. You are an animal as well as all of other animals. And that part of you that is part of nature, as the deers, as the owls, as the eagles, as the birds, all the way to the smallest insect, will be affected energetically by receiving the imprint of darkness towards a new light, towards a new chance, a new opening to understand that this energy that is absorbed by planet Earth under your feet will help you grow, will help you create, will help you understand how much part of nature you are. Tomorrow, make the effort to feel part of this planet Earth, to feel your humanness as an animal, as a creature on planet Earth, as one more sacred being, belonging to Earth, belonging to Gaia. You are one more sacred being, and we are always watching you and always in delight when we see you take care of our nature, of our plants, of our trees. We are delighted by your presence when the love in your heart connects to the earth. This spring, bringing new life, new flowers, new trees, new germination of seeds. Be mesmerized by the beauty of the force of nature, by the beauty of the force of nature that is also keeping you alive. Be in alliance with that energy. Be in union. Dance the joy of livelihood. Dance with your heart. Sing with your heart. The more you connect, the more you understand that Gaia, nature, all of living beings are one. The more joy can imprint your being. So tomorrow, April 8th, is the beginning of the new light that will impregnate your entire field. And our little bodies, our little selves as well, and all the trees and all the plants. Think of the trees being antennas to the galaxies, to the universe, to the stars. That is what the trees are. They spent all night in connection with the stars, with the galaxies. They spent all day in connection with the central sun, our central sun, giving life. Trees are antennas of universal connection and beautiful power. So hug a tree and feel that connection between the center of Gaia to the further star. And we bless you with this transmission. Thank you.